I want to unbox it and use it to show you the review of the products. So let's use it. Looks so cute. It's so cute. So, is it? It was gifted to me, so I want to test it and see the review and give you the review of it. This is a rice cooker. The back is crypto quality you can afford. Yeah, electric rice cooker. Cook more than rice. You can use it to cook rice and any other thing, and even beans. You can use it to cook beans, potatoes, cook any other thing you want. You can use it to warm, like if you like, instead of microwaving, you can put your food here and warm it up. Okay, it's used to cook, steam, and keep warm. See, is it? And it have a 2 years warranty. It comes with this cup with a manual. Comes with manual. Have a manual, and I love this their warranty card. This their warranty card. I love it so much. See, what is written there is crypto quality you can afford. Here they say, welcome to the world of happiness. And you see, welcome to the world of happiness. I like their card. So, and this is it. This is it. Okay, I come with spoon. And this is the cover. Jesus is taking care of me. Oh, Jesus is looking after me. Jesus is watching over me. I'm shining because Jesus is taking care of me. So you put it here. Put it here. Yeah. Can you see? This way to rub the cover. So this is the pot. This is the inner pot for the cooking. The inner pot for the cooking, and this is how the inside looks like. You see? So I'll wash this, then cook rice with it now and show you the review. Stay tuned. Okay. washed it. I've washed it, and I need to clean it. I don't want it to be wet so that it will not shock me. So now I'm going to put rice and cook. Rice. Jesus is taking care of me. Oh, Jesus is looking after me. So on the rice in here now, so if I boil it, so now I'm going to plug it. Let me see. Is it long? Yeah. And another thing, the wire, the cable is very long, so it can be here. You see? Here, plug. So plug it. Put it to cooking now. Let me show you. Listen. Put it to cooking. If you want to warm, you put it to warm. But cooking, put like this. You see? And this is my meat that I'm using for the jollof rice. Cooking jollof rice. But in this video, I'll only show you the boil of the rice, how it works with this boiling of this rice. Then I end the video to continue my cooking. So God bless the giver of this gift. I so much love this gift. I've been thinking of buying it, but I've not put it at the top of the priority list. So when this gift came, I so much like the gift. God bless the giver. So it came with this and this cup inside. So, came with this, and I equally got this wonderful jug as a gift also. God bless the giver also. I so much love this glass jug. I love it. So nice. So when it's done, I'll show you the review. Jesus is taking care of me. Oh, Jesus is looking after me. Jesus is watching over me. I'm shining because Jesus is taking care of me. So, see you when. See, this is the rice. So the thing worked perfectly. See, this is the review. It's so nice. It worked perfectly. Now I've just boiled the rice in this cooker, and it's so nice. I appreciate this. God bless the giver. It's so nice, so lovely. So this is the review of this Krypton rice cooker. You can use it to cook anything you like. So this is the review. So see you in my next one. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, and see you in the next one. Bye.